you go, big homie. You're gonna like this one. You ready? I don't understand. Yeah, it's tight. Good, good. No tight. I don't understand it. Oh, that looks about good. Good, 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 good. Praise God. How about that? Yep. Hold up. These are the hinges that were done like 3 weeks ago. Okay. This is what it looks like not done correctly. And then you have this. Yeah, it looks done right on it. No, you're supposed to do it right and keep it flush. And if you don't have the right material, you tell the policy holder and we fix it. So these are all lower than they're originally supposed to be. Well, look at there. He did what I requested on this one. Hinges, same thing. Dude. I mean, I don't bash people. I don't bash, but this is very, very upsetting. Here, there's your measurement. All the way down to the subfloor. That's where all of them are at. 80 inches is what Home Depot has for jams. 80 and maybe 11/16. All of them are the same, all in my house. So he did this one short, that one short, that one short. Even a huge gap there, and he used his own wood, 1x6, and ripped it. This is great, but you missed a stud, man. I don't understand. He shot it on 16. But that's not where the stud is there. Let's check that. Because the guy came in and did the floor. And there the stair nose is. Big nice lip here. The very first one. This is accurate. You know, he did this with the kit from Home Depot. Everything's up. Not a 1x6. Why didn't he do it with the other ones?